Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Binance Web3 wallet. So if you also want to create Binance Web3 wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So creating Binance Web3 wallet is very simple. All you have to do is launch open Binance application. You can see over here Binance is opened. Make sure you're logged into your wallet. At top left corner, you can see an icon containing Binance logo. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for Web3 wallet, tap on it. You'll have to keep in mind that identity verification is required in order to create the Web3 wallet. Due to my reason, I'm not being able to verify my identity right now, but I'll tell you what to do. After you tap on the Web3 wallet option, there you'll be able to see the option for create wallet. All you have to do is tap on it. And after 4 or 5 seconds, you'll have to complete a verification. You'll be sent a code in your email. All you have to do is enter that code. If you have activated Google Authenticator, you'll have to enter the code of Google Authenticator too. And after completion of the verification, your wallet will be created. But before using the wallet, users are required to back it up and set a recovery password to secure their assets. So make sure to set a recovery password in order to secure your asset. So that is how you create Binance Web3 wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.